How to earn money with Airbnb affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll show you how to make money with Airbnb affiliate program and also become an Airbnb affiliate partner. Joining the Airbnb affiliate program could be the perfect opportunity for you. As an affiliate, you can earn commission by promoting Airbnb accommodation to your audience. Whether you run a travel blog, manage a social media channel, or have a website related to hospitality, becoming an Airbnb allows you to monetize your traffic and accommodation. So before getting started, let us know what Airbnb is. Airbnb is a globally recognized online marketplace and hospitality service platform that enables individuals to list, discover, and book accommodation around the world. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into airbnb.com as you can see here. This is the website. If you want to become as an affiliate partner, you have to do is go to Airbnb Associate Program. This is the home page of the website. Here we have Airbnb Associate Guidelines. All associates should keep these guidelines in mind. So let's read together these guidelines. First, we have be transparent about your relationships with Airbnb. Secondly, we have associates are not Airbnb employees and do not work in the direction of Airbnb employees. Never represent yourself as an agent or employee of Airbnb. And we have here by posting content on Airbnb, you agree to abide by our content policy. Furthermore, we have don't remove Airbnb's branding from the program tools, don't use any other Airbnb trademarks or copyrighted materials. Also, we have don't hide links, widgets, or pages. Only share program content directly to your followers on your personal sites or social media. Moreover, we have don't run paid advertisement in print or digital format. Don't bid on Airbnb keywords or arbitrage Airbnb's global audience. Finally, we have don't book through your own links. You won't receive a payout for your own listens. Also, we have here tools available to Airbnb associates like referral links, widgets, landing pages. We have also payments and payouts and a lot of information that can help you guys. So let's back to the top. Here we have important note that you should know it. The Airbnb Associates program allows anyone with an audience to make money by promoting travel or hosting Airbnb. So what that means is that Airbnb itself is gonna give you a commission if someone click on your link, send, book stay, and whatever. So to earn commission, all you have to do is come back to the website and choose the one you want to promote. So let's choose, for example, someone here. Let's choose this one. As you can see, there is details here about image and a lot of information that can help you. So as you can see, there is here examples for each strategy of earning money through the Airbnb affiliate program. First, we have promote Airbnb lessons. Create a blog post titled Top 10 Cozy Airbnb Cabins for Winter Getaways, where you feature and link to various cozy cabins available on Airbnb, highlighting their unique features like hot tubs, fireplaces, or proximity to ski resorts. We have also here create travel guides on reviews, write a detailed travel guide on exploring Barcelona on a budget and includes sections recommending budget-friendly Airbnb accommodation in different neighborhoods with affiliate links to those lessons. Also, we have target niche audience. Create an Instagram account focusing on luxury travel, post high quality photos of luxurious Airbnb villas around the world using your affiliate links in the captions and be to direct followers to book their dream stays. Moreover, we have used sales strategies. Write a blog post titled Family Friendly Airbnb Rentals Near Disney World, optimized with keywords keywords like family-friendly Airbnb Disney World, featuring detailed descriptions and affiliate links to kid-friendly properties near the theme park. We have here the main one, utilize social media, which Pinterest board titled Dream Vacation Rentals, where you pin visually appealing image of various Airbnb properties worldwide. Use affiliate links in the pinned descriptions to drive traffic and booking. We have also here email marketing. Send out a newsletters to your subscribers with subject line exclusive summer getaway deals save 200% on Airbnb stays. Include curated lists of Airbnb properties and popular summer destinations with affiliate links for readers to book directly. Moreover, we have here offer special deals. We have here offer special deals. As you can see, partner with Airbnb to offer a limited time discount code exclusively for your audience. Promote this offer on your blog, social media, and email newsletter, encouraging users to use your affiliate link to redeem to discount. Then we have create comparison content. Write a blog post titled Airbnb with hotels where to stay for your next city break. Compare the benefits of staying in an Airbnb like more space, kitchen facilities versus a hotel and include affiliate links to both Airbnb listings and hotel booking sites. Then we have here partner with travel bloggers or influencers. Collaborate with a travel influencer who specializes in adventure travel. Have them create Instagram stories showcasing their stay in a unique Airbnb treehouse with swipe up links to book the same property using your affiliate link. Finally, we have here stay updated on Airbnb's programs. Keep an eye on Airbnb's affiliate program updates. For example, if Airbnb introduces a new program offering increased commission rates for booking in certain regions or during specific seasons, adjust your promotional strategies to capitalize on this opportunity. So this is the last one. So these examples illustrate how you can effectively utilize different strategies to earn money through the Airbnb affiliate program by promoting lessons, creating valuable content, and engaging with your target audience. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you in the next video.